To make a traditional 3-braid challah, you start by cutting your dough into 3 equal pieces. Then it's just like you do with Play-Doh. Roll it out into a long snake. You try to divide the dough equally so that your pieces will be about the same length. But if they're not exactly 100% the same length, that's fine. Okay. Now I'm going to pinch together at the top, and I'm basically going to do a standard braid like you probably learned when you were young. Right to the middle, left to the middle, right to the middle, left to the middle, right to the middle. I'm going to smooth down the dough where it's a little rough, left to the middle. Now at the end, I pinch my ends together, but to make it look pretty, what I do is I lift up and I kind of tuck that pinched end into the bottom of the loaf. And I like to turn it around after I've done that and kind of do the same thing over here where I pinched it together. So I look at it and I kind of twist it a little and pinch and use this finger to kind of tuck that pinch up into the dough. And that is perfect to sit and wait and do the second rise before we bake. For other great tips about challah braiding, crafts, crochet, knitting, and all sorts of fun, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like me on Facebook, and visit thelindsaylife.com. See you next time.